Hello guys, Lucas Santos here, and today is a happy day because it's the webinar day and I feel like you haven't subscribed to the webinar yet. So what are you doing? Like I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait 30 seconds. All right, so did you? All right, cool, that's good now. All right, so if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't registered, that would be the best word, for my seminar today, Sydney time, 6 to 7, right? So we are 26th of September. We're gonna be talking about basically everything, all right? We're gonna go to a few economics topics, as I've been discussing with you guys last week. For those who have been onto my webinar, you know what we're going to be doing this week. So this week we're going to be doing basically a basically a very basic approach, introduction, I would say, to macroeconomics and how to, find those data and how to grab this data to analyze for your personal trading. And then we're going to go through what has happened last week and what did go right, what did go wrong, and then we're going to go for my full analysis, full breakdown on all the pairs, going to US dollar, euro, pound, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and Swiss franc, and all the rest that you may ask me to analyze. So this is the best time for you to come and talk to me, and I will actually answer those questions live for you. It's not an AI, it's not an EA, it's not a chat, it's me, it's there, it's on the time, it's live, let's go family. I want to see everyone there tonight, 6 p.m. It's going to be a booming live. So another thing is, please, you already know, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, because there's more than a minute of a video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what are you doing. And please give us a thumbs up as well. And if you have any questions throughout the video, please leave your comment down below and I will get back to you, as I'm getting back to everyone, liking and answering all those questions. All right. Anyways, what do I have here? I have my analysis for 4 pairs that I will give out for free. Look how happy those days are, okay? So let's jump now from my screen, and we are on a new setup, huh? Nice. Yesterday was on the streets, right? Now it's on the office, on the beautiful studio. So let's jump to my screen now. Dave, do something. Now, there we are on the screen. Okay, so let's talk about euro dollar first, okay? I've been talking about euro dollar so many times and so long time ago that euro dollar would hit 105.8 and then we're gonna go to 105. Well, guess where we are? Guess where we are, all right? Well, first of all, let me put this on a 4-hour chart. That would be better for us. There we go. So now let me do this. 158. Guess where we just reached it this morning? 1508, right? So any rebounds that this currency, this pair, euro dollar, have, I will be selling euro dollar. I will be selling euro dollar. The fundamental context favors a lot, okay? Just favors so much for us to keep going down to the next target that I've been mentioned already so many times, that it's the 105. Look at how beautiful. If you haven't watched my video yet of how to perfectly entry on the market using a professional approach, here it is. Okay, let's go for the 1 hour. It's going to be easier for you guys to see. All right, remember, if you haven't watched my video yet, this is the box I've been talking about. All right, so we're going to get the first entry on the top of the box. We're going to get the second entry on the half of the box. What are you waiting, right? It was a perfect trade. That was so good. Look at these. We had the box, we had the formation. Let me zoom out to here just a moment. So we have the formation of the box, right, just here. Now, what the price was trying to do is basically, let me grab a line, is basically do another box, as we can just see here, but I can bet that the price will maybe come somewhere around here, okay? And then we do something like that. Oopsie, sorry, that's the wrong one. I still get used to it. So anyway, so the price will probably come around this area, and then we're going to drop down to the 105 area that I've been mentioning already, probably a month. I'm not joking. 105 here. Okay, so these are basically my two targets. Let's come back here, Dave. These are basically my best two targets for the euro dollar right now. So 105.08 that have just been hit, and now we are waiting for the 105. So any rebound on the currency, I would be looking to sell it, all right? I'm a seller on the euro dollar. So the euro dollar consolidates its recent losses at the lowest level since March, and the fundamental context favors bearish traders and supports the prospect of further losses, all right? And then I'm going to send Dave an image for him to put it now. We can see that the 30-day low was at 106.15. Now is 105.8, the 30-day low. Okay, and the volatility have been pretty wide as well, as we can see. All right, now coming back, let's go for the pound dollar. Jumping back on the screen. So what we can do is we can just add a new chart here and then go for the GBPUSD. Where is it? There we go. Let it load, let it cook. All right, so here we are. What's happening here? Tell me, if you have been following my analysis for long, you probably know what was my target, right? And bet what? Here it is again, the box that I've been mentioning on the video, right? And we did first of all had the 123 as our target that have been mentioned so many times on so many videos for GBPUSD. So you know, the GBPUSD will be staying on a defensive. So players will be looking to try to get it back up to 122.5. But any rebounds, anything that will go up on the pound, I would be willing to short it yet, as because we are having a lot of pressure and the GBP USD remains under selling pressure in a context of a strong Fed policy, right? So that was my first target, 123, and right now I just got some new targets for you. Oh, look at that, that's good, right? I'm looking at 120 right now. Yes, I'm looking at 120. Why I'm looking for another 2.5k drop points, so 250 points drop? Well, just because the Fed have been, to the media last week, and they have been pretty strong. So that means that they have been pretty bullish. They have been pretty hawkish. They did pause, but they have been hawkish, right? So that means that we are actually getting down much more, and this is my analysis. All right, look, coming back now, what I would do with this, I won't share. Not because I'm bad, it's because I want to help you. I want to be there for you. So please, I want to see you tonight 6 to 7 on my webinar, right? This is it. This is it. This is the webinar. I want to see you there today, 6 to 7. And then, yes, this is how I do. This is how I do. You want targets? You have targets. You want to see my personal trades, what I'm personally trading? I share with you guys. Not a problem. So this is it. This is the vibe that we get into the, and it's free. You don't need live account, you don't need demo account, you don't need anything. You just go to our website, subscribe to the webinar, and I see you there. We're going to send you the link by email, 6 to 7 p.m. All right? So please, guys, I want to see everyone there tonight. You help me and I help you. All right? So it's we call it this English hand, that we always go one side to another. So that's it. and I see you tomorrow. I see you tonight on the webinar. So please, guys, give us a thumbs up on this video. Share this video with your friend if he or she trades. That's lovely. So you can, share knowledge as well. All right, guys. See you later.